All right, guys, I have in my hands an official Tito Jesus piece made by the famous jeweler, Tito the jeweler, rest in peace. This is the same exact piece that Notorious Big had and a lot of other bad boy artists. As you can see, it's very crude in the setting. The prongs, the prongs, heavy piece. Here is the one that I originally made. So you can see, I think this bale is aftermarket, it's not original, but you can see some of the differences in mine, in the original versus mine. Mine is more three-dimensional, the chin sticks out a little bit more. I use a little bit better quality diamonds, and mine's much heavier. Mine's 247 grams, whereas this one is 154, and I'll weigh it out for you. Give me a second. All right, put that on there. And 154.8. You can just see 247. So, but there it is. I'll be doing a real breakdown of this piece and look further for new updates. It's the back of the piece. There's some holes, but it's solid. This is easy to fix. I'm gonna fix this, and there is one stone missing right over there. You can see on the corner of the eye, there's one stone missing, but again, and I'll add, this is, let me just see. This is, obviously this is diamond, and it's diamond, and so as you can see, here's the piece, and be on the lookout for new videos coming soon. Peace.